welcome to the Kirsty Meakin YouTube channel. Today we are going to be using the Kirsty Meakin gel polish range on Andrea. She has a natural acrylic overlay already on her natural nails. She's got natural nails, I can't believe it, still can't. I leave my models for a few weeks and then they've all gone natural. What's going on?
I know.
I was going to take all that time to build them back up again to the proper length.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to do a cool design that it isn't too difficult to do, which I love. It's very salon viable. It's nice and bright. You can even do this in a multitude of colours. I'm going to do bright colours today just because I'm feeling in a bright mood. So yeah, let's get cracking. Right, so I have these colours. Oh my god, just look. And Adam needs to remind me of all the colours because I can't remember them all.
I'm looking at them.
This one is definitely Suki. Then we've got Ponyo. We've got Lily.
That's £90.
Is he 38? Yeah?
Yeah.
You sure? Or is it Deca?
Oh, no, that is Deca.
I think this one's Deca.
38's Deca, yeah.
We've got Void, which is black.
Silly Billy.
Silly Billy, and what's this one? Number 29. We'll have a look. See, do you know what? I haven't even got, you guys that order them have the names on the bottom. I've not even got the names on the bottom of my gel polishes yet. You know what I mean? Because I've got the first lot. But we will have, because we'll get some more.
They'll be there somewhere. Well, we can. I'm not sticking them all on. I'm sick of sticking them on. 29. 29 is summer.
Summer's named after my niece. And they're all named after people that we know and love, or pets.
Well, I haven't got mine. Fussy Faye's got one.
Fussy Faye's got one. We're going to do some vertical ombres, but we're not going to fill the entire nail. This makes this design easy to do. And that's what I love about this design. And you can, there's so many ways we can do this design and really use your imagination because you'll able to do it in a multitude of ways. So we're going to start by applying the base coat. So base coat, it's the strongest base coat ever. It, honest to God, but if you watched our live launch on YouTube and Facebook, you will see how I put it to the test. So a nice thin layer. Make sure you just get that brush and just scoop over the ends. Doing that, you are going to make sure that you cap the end. You're kind of shrink wrapping that nail. Don't be deceived in thinking you need to put like a really thick coat of base on. It's not going to help it adhere. You just need a thin layer. It's super stretchy as well. Copy that. So it's a 30-second cure. I'm going to use a couple of brushes today. We've got Messy Nessie and we've also got Fade. Oh my god, Fade. It's named after Faye, obviously, and it is the most beautiful ombre brush. So it's solidly packed here, and then you've got your fine, fluffy bristles here. Now, this is a new brush, so we need to break the seal. So you'll have like a starch seal. So we're going to break that first. So what I'm going to do is use the brush to just scoop there like that. Get my next colour, which is Summer, and we're going to come slightly higher. Don't worry about getting this perfect right now. Bring that down. If there are any residue of the other colour on the brush, make sure you just tap that off there before you go back in the bottom. And then we're going to get the Fade brush and we're going to tickle this through. And I'm slightly going to go side to side just to fade that, and then I'm going to go top to bottom. So that's our first coat of colour. Okay, so you can see it's nice and pigmented, and we've got a little fade. Pop me that one in. So the next two colour combinations are Ponyo and Silly Billy. So you don't need a whole heap of product. You're just creating like a little scoop. And I'll go slightly higher on this side. And again, we're going to get the ombre brush, pull that through to get our ombre. Cure that. I'm going to go higher on this side now. And lower this side, but I'm making sure I cover the natural nail that you can see. Ombre brush again. So very small movements side to side, just blend that. Then we're going to go back to this colour, which is the Lily and Summer. The reason this is so quick is because we're not doing like a smile line, we're not doing a perfect shape, everything's a little bit different, so that it's not super uniform. So our main objective is to cover this exposed free edge that we can see. So we're covering that and just using the brush to create the shape, so that's not too difficult. Pull it down and blend, 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 blend. What we're going to do is we're going to repeat this process. So we've got 2 coats of colour. Pop that in. Do you know what? I've just realised where this has come from. So last night I was on the phone to my friend Pippa Hebden, who lives in Middlesbrough. Her fella is a DJ and Nick. And we were talking about Ibiza, and I was saying about how I've never been to Ibiza, and she was telling me DJs that I would like, because I was like, oh, it's not my thing. So she was telling me about different DJs that I'd like. So I was on my other phone, as I'm on my phone to it, looking and just seeing the most amazing like body art and costumes and fabulous music that I really would listen to in Ibiza that I didn't actually knew existed. So it was Glitterbox.
I love Glitterbox.
Yeah. So it was the music that they played at Glitterbox.
Melville Baptiste.
Yes, yeah. And so she was saying about all this, she was like, yeah, she even says to Nick, sorry, they're better than you.
I was supposed to go to a thing last weekend where Glitterbox were playing, and I didn't go. And I was supposed to go to something else instead of it, and I still didn't go to that.
Oh my God.
Where Pete Tong was playing.
Oh yeah.
Just too tired.
See, I've never been Ibiza because it's never appealed to me. My brother's been.
Yeah. I know some of you might think you probably didn't need that second coat of colour, but you can see the difference. If you don't want it as intense, you could just do the 1 coat of colour. But you can see by adding that second coat, you really do intensify the colour. Pop them in. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a tiny amount of each colour. And that's literally the tiniest amount. We won't need a massive amount, to be honest. Making like a little rainbow. And then we're going to use Void, which is our black. This one we'll need a little bit more of. Right, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the different colours, so not the same colours that are on here. I'm just going to add a little bit of that green there. Have a bit of green on this one here. Bit of green on this one. And turquoise. These do not need to be like perfect spots. They need to be a little bit irregular. Lilac. Put my them in. So we're going to take the black. And we're going to create our leopard print around the colours. So you're going to go around one side, add a little bit on the other. And again, make it quite irregular. And then you're going to do other little markings. And you can see I'm kind of like shaking the brush, sort of bouncing it to get that pattern, to make it more irregular. And then we're going to take this up over the line. Some will just be little spots. So we're going to do that on all of the nails. It's cute, isn't it?
It is cute. I was thinking that at first.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
It's not a ladybird.
It's
I think it was.
print.
It was the shape of the
Yeah.
the
Swooshes.
yeah the swooshes. Yeah. You won't think you'd be able to do such a pattern on quite short nails.
I
would
know,
you?
yeah.
You always think
It's
they've
got to be
really long.
Yeah, that's why it's good for,
Yeah.
because not everybody has big long nails, do they? I
No.
know we do a lot of nails on this channel that are super long, and you love those, but people have
Yeah.
shorter nails and more wearable nails.
Yes. Yeah. I like them.
They're nice, aren't
Yeah,
they?
they're funky, aren't they?
Funky leopard.
Yeah, funky leopards. Yeah.
Yeah, that's been to a rave.
Yeah.
Right, so you could put a shiny top coat on, we could put matte on. I want to put matte on just because I love matte tops. But what I want to show you is a little tip. When you are doing lots of nail art with gel polish, and can you see how you get a raised surface? Yeah? So it's not all completely flat. And when you put a matte top coat onto an uneven surface, it kind of exaggerates it even more. So this is what you do. And maybe we should do one with and without. I'm using the shiny top coat because it's so lovely at self-leveling. And this will just help even the surface out. Put me that in the lamp. So this one is just matte. And you know what? These are small things. And these are small things that I tend to notice. And maybe clients wouldn't really notice it, but I do. Put me that in. Do you know what? To be fair, that isn't that bad, you know. I can feel it slightly raised, but let's put it over the top of the gloss. Because the gloss is so smooth, it will definitely give you a smoother finish. Put me that in and we'll show you on the close-up. Are you ready for your close-up? So, it's definitely flat, it looks flatter. So that's the one with shiny top coat and matte. This one has just got matte. And can you see how it's just slightly raised in areas? Yeah. Whereas this one is smoother. It's not completely smooth, but it is smoother and even feels smoother. And I think looking at it, it looks smoother. So it looks flatter, and I love that look that you get from matte top coat that makes it look so flat. I love that. And we're kind of double top coating, I know. But doing that will actually make everything last longer as well. So this is kind of like your self-leveling layer. Think of it like that. And like I say, not all clients would really notice stuff like that, but I do. Maybe it's because I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. Pop that in.
Can you ski?
Yeah.
Can you snowboard?
No, tried that one. broke my coccyx.
Oh, did you?
No, I tried it actually when I'd broken my coccyx, and then I tried to do snowboarding. My brother used to teach down the slope.
Oh yeah.
Down Festival Park. So I went and had lessons, and it was just I need 2 individual feet. You know, I'm used to skating.
Yeah.
Just 2 individual feet. I can't skateboard. I definitely can't snowboard.
Yeah. So Damien snowboards.
I'd love to be able to, you know.
Yeah. I always think snowboarding looks cooler, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
But I can't do any, so I'm not cool in the slightest. I can't ski or snowboard.
So here we are. Matte. I mean, look how matte that is. It's pretty spectacular if you do. If you just do massive. I love that. Absolutely love it. So it's not too difficult. But it looks wow. It looks like wow. Bang. Love it. You ready for Ibiza? I think you need to get it booked.
Yeah.
If we're allowed.
What do you do like that?
Big fish, little fish. Cardboard box.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I knew there was a box in there
Yeah.
somewhere. Yeah, it's not
Big fish, little fish.
cardboard box.
Yeah, that's all the raving.
Yeah. Do I have to get a glow stick and a whistle?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know, never been. You'd ask Kirsty. So there you are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to know where to purchase everything we've used today, it'll be linked below in the description box. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and all that shebang. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you all. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. See you later. Ta-ra.